I'll show you a technique for giving our frosting a little bit of texture and making it look like cloth. I have here an embossed paper towel, and all I'm going to do is lay that on the cake and just lightly press it. Now the cake has dried for a little bit so that it's not sticky, and we'll just sort of rub that on there. A little bit, rub a little on the sides, and then very carefully pull it back so the paper towel puts the texture on the ballet slipper. And then you can again use the paper towel and lay it on the side of the cake and just gently press, very gently, and then gently peel it away to texture the side of the cake, and continue going around the slipper like that, and just patting and smoothing the paper towel over the icing to put that texture all over the whole cake. To get in between that tight spot, you just use a spatula like this, hold the paper towel carefully, and just rub along the edge. And just remove that carefully to cover all sides of our ballet slippers.